Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Unice here once more, and it's the same packaging as last time. So in today's packaging we got a gorgeous highlight wig, but before we get into that, I got this little drawstring bag in the box. I got a wig cap, a headscarf, and a pair of very nice bold lashes. So for today's wig, I have this gorgeous 24-inch straight wig. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. This is a 13x4 free part lace front wig. It has 3 combs in the inside, adjustable straps, and it looks good. It's also lightly pre-plucked. But the color job is really pretty. You guys know I really like these kind of wigs, right? Yeah, I have rocked quite a number of them throughout this year alone. So yeah, I really do like them. So it's a medium cap. In terms of density and all of that, I'm going to put it in the description box, so please check down there for the specifications as well. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on applying this. It's so nice. Oh, and the movement and the feeling, it feels really silky. The flyaways, it's not a lot, you know. It feels really good, and it doesn't feel like super heavy. So I do like that. I'm not getting any shedding at the moment as well. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this. Got to be for the win for today's look. Nah, guys, I really just love when the hair just, you know, it not look brassy, and like they took their time to really just color this properly. The quality of the hair feels good, feels really good. Just gonna go over the top as usual with I feel like, you know, for the most part in the front it wasn't like a lot of work to do because it's not like overly dense. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, like in terms of even now that I'm laying it, it's really nice. And I think that have to do with how nice and silky the hair is, and that right there, my friends, that's quality, you know. It's very easy to lay. you know, install. It's really no hassle. Listen, this is straight out of the packaging, right? I haven't straightened it or anything. You really don't even have to touch it if you don't want to. Straight out of the packaging. I love the streaks. Love it. So this is a very light run through that I'm gonna do with my flat iron. I am getting minimal shedding now that I've applied it. Look at how beautiful it is. So as I said, I lightly went through this. I didn't like flat iron it in detail because the hair is lovely. It is lovely. It doesn't have like a lot of flyaways. You see that straight job? Amazing. Unice really did it. They did it. Some gorgeous hair. So yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. I'm going to be sure to put the information on this wig in my description box. Check it out. Your girl is feeling this. It is too nice. Melted really nicely, you know. It's really nice. Honestly, if you want to pre-plug this is very much optional because it blended in so nicely. 10 out of 10 would recommend, especially if you're looking for a nicely highlighted wig with this kind of streaked vibe. Yeah, 10. So check out my description box guys for the direct link to purchase it and all that good stuff. Shout out to Unice here once more for this bomb wig. And don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, Petite-SUE TV. I'm uploading every day over there. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself.